Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make grilled burritos. First, ensure all your delicious fillings are ready to go. This might include seasoned ground beef, black beans, rice, and shredded cheese. Next, gently warm your large flour tortillas for about 15 seconds each in a microwave or on a dry skillet. This makes them much easier to fold without tearing, ensuring a perfect burrito every time. Now, let's get to the fun part, filling and folding. Lay a warm tortilla flat and place about 1/2 cup of your chosen fillings slightly below the center. Be careful not to overfill, as this can make rolling difficult. Fold in the left and right sides of the tortilla, then tightly roll it up from the bottom, creating a neat, compact package. A well-folded burrito is key to a great grilled experience. It's time to grill these beauties. Lightly brush the outside of each rolled burrito with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil or a neutral cooking oil. This helps achieve that beautiful golden brown crust and prevents sticking. Place your burritos seam side down on the preheated grill or grill pan. Grill them for 2 to 3 minutes per side, rotating until all sides are nicely browned and have appealing grill marks. Once your burritos are perfectly grilled, remove them from the heat and let them rest for just 1 minute. This allows the fillings to settle and makes them easier to handle. You can then slice each burrito in half diagonally for a professional and appealing presentation. Serve immediately with your favorite salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. They are fantastic for a quick meal or a fun gathering. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.